How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys, and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Temu affiliate program is, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individuals and businesses to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Temu provides the tools and resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into temu.com, as you can see here. As you can see, this is the website, and we have here a various products. You can choose the one you want, and you can select your favorite products if you wanna. Then if you wanna be an affiliate program partner, sorry, you have to just scroll down and click over here, affiliate influencer earn commission. So this is the home page. You can get started, but before you scroll down to know important information and notes, here we have over than 3,000 people have joined. Also, we have here how to start with Temu affiliate program, join, share, and earn. Here we have frequently asked questions like what is the Temu affiliate program and how does it work? What is Temu? Does Temu run in your full or affiliate program? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw the commission with rewards? All you have to do is click over here and get your answer for each question, as you can see here. So like, how do I sign up to the program? Simply click the sign up button to continue. Once you sign up, you will obtain your affiliate link and code, which you can use to recommend new users to Temu. Scrolling down and click over join now to sign up. First you have to write your email or phone number, then you click over continue. You can also use Google or Facebook or App Store or other options to sign up. After your inscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all, you will get commission wherever they buy, but they will get $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people. Also, you can win a competition, you can get bonuses. So all you have to do, join, share, and earn. So the main way help you to earn money is using social media by creating content. You don't need to show your face. All you have to do is use Pinterest for finding products, pictures, and ChatGPT for description. So let's give you some ways to earn money on Temu. First, we have selling physical products. List and sell items such as handmade, crafts, apparel, electronics, or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. Secondly, we have offering digital products. Sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses, or digital arts. Digital products have the advantage of no shipping cost and instant delivery. Third one, we have providing services. Offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistance. Create detailed service listings with clear pricing and delivery times. We have also affiliate marketing. Promote other sellers' products and earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. Utilize social media blogs or email marketing to reach a broader audience. Finally, we have dropshipping. Set up a dropshipping businesses where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Then we have some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. First one, we have selling physical products. As an example, we can use handmade jewelry, as you can see here. For production, we have handcrafted bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. Description, we have detailed description highlighting materials, craftsmanship, and unique design. For image, we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wearing the jewelry. Pricing, we have competitive pricing based on materials cost, time invested, and market demand. Second one, we have offering digital products. As an example, we can use online courses. For production, we have courses on graphics, design, coding, or personal development. Description, we have course syllabus, learning objectives, and benefits for students. For delivery, we have digital downloads or access through a learning management system. Pricing, we have one-time free or subscription-based access to course materials. Third one, we have providing services. We can use freelance writing as an example. For service, we have content writings for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. For description, we have clear explanation of services, including topics, covered word count, and turnaround time. For pricing, we have per word or per project basis with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. The fourth one, we have affiliate marketing. We can use Stitch Gadgets as an example. Production, we have promote smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers. Method, we have share affiliate links on a teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Commission, we have earn a percentage of sales made through you referral links, content write, reviews, unboxing, or how to guide to attract potential buyers. The last one, we have drop shopping. We have home decor, as, as you can see here, as an example also. Production, we have trendy home decor items like wall arts, rugs, or lighting. Supplier, we have partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Storefront, we have created a branded online store showcasing the products. Marketing, we have used social media, ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. Customer service, we have handle customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. So, as a conclusion, we can say making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online business. By following these steps and leveraging Temu's features, you can build a successful venture whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers. Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So you can use Pinterest for description, and you can use also ChatGPT. So social media is very useful and helpful for Timo. And this is it for this video, guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.